New information about what's next for Lonna Barton.
There's a distinct possibility that both of them could point the fingers at each other.
The precautions being taken now that she and her boyfriend are both inmates at the Duval County Jail. Lonna Barton is due back in court in just a few weeks. News4Jax has learned she will soon be represented by a special attorney.
Yeah, police arrested Barton Tuesday night. She made her first appearance in court this afternoon. That's where prosecutors formally charged Barton with child neglect and giving false information in a missing child case. The judge set her bond at $50,000. We've learned that in her future court proceedings, the Regional Conflict Counsel will represent her. That office is separate from the Public Defender's Office because they're representing her boyfriend, Ruben Ebron. He's facing similar charges of neglect and lying to police. Channel 4's Ashley Harding spoke with a local defense attorney to give us some perspective, and she's joining us live from our newsroom. Ashley?
Kent, Ebron's lawyer is from the Public Defender's Office, but because this is the same case, the Regional Conflict Counsel is being brought in to represent Lonna. I talked to a local attorney tonight who explains the big difference. For nearly a month, Ruben Ebron has sat in the Duval County Jail, charged with child neglect. Now his girlfriend, Lonna Barton, joins him, also charged with child neglect and lying to police in connection with her son Lonzy's disappearance.
This bond has, the probable cause has already been reviewed. There is an arrest warrant that was signed by Judge Gooding. You have a copy of the warrant.
During her first court appearance, it was announced Barton would be represented by the Regional Conflict Counsel, something entirely different from the Public Defender's Office. After all, they already have a client in connection with the Lonzy case. That would be Ebron.
The easiest way to explain what they are is they are a second public defender's office.
Defense attorney Nichols is not connected to this case, but he explains the Regional Conflict Counsel was designed to not only represent a client, but also to protect against conflict of interest when you have two defendants involved in the same case. With the Public Defender's Office already working with Ruben Ebron, the Regional Conflict Counsel must then step in for Lonna.
There's a distinct possibility that both of them could point the fingers at each other, and knowing that, and they sort of already have a little bit, so recognizing that, that's why they appointed the regional conflict so quickly.
This isn't the first local high-profile case where the RCC was brought in. Such was the case with the second murder trial against Michael Dunn, later convicted of shooting and killing Jordan Davis. In the Michael Dunn case, the Public Defender's Office withdrew after it was determined that they were already representing one of the witnesses at the Gate gas station in another case. So clearly a very similar situation. Now, once again, Lonna Barton is due back in court. That is on September 9th.